So hey guys, welcome back to another video of Marvel Spider-Man. I hope you remembered in the last episode we checked Martin Lee's office at the Feast Center where we discovered a secret bunker. That bunker contained some solid evidences linking Martin Lee to the Demon Gang, and now Martin Lee has officially been declared a wanted criminal. Oh wait, someone's calling me. Okay, so I just received a call from Dr. Otto. He told me to come by the lab right now. Freaking now, because he wants to show me something. Well, he sounded really excited, so let's go and check it out. What did he invented this time? Alright, so I'm here and what are these empty boxes? Are they even empty or they are full? How did you get so much equipment? Didn't we were just lacking of money or something?
Where did you get all this equipment?
Called in every last favor. Took out a few loans. It's like we're starting over once again.
You took out loans? I think he's gonna end up in jail due to unpaid bills. Bro, I am damn sure. Let's check it out. Wait a damn minute. What is... Oh no, I don't know, no. I know where this is heading. Did you saw that picture? The six arms? He's definitely gonna end up becoming a evil supervillain and will try to kill me, right? I know. I already know it. No, bro, I thought the story would be different. Oh, wait, he upgraded this arm a bit. It looks more metallic now. So tell me, Doc, what upgrades did you made this time? Alright, so Doc told me he changed his way of thinking. He built this robotic arm with a new mindset. Why make disabled people normal when we can make them better? So let's see what's so extraordinary about this arm. Okay, so far pretty normal. So far it's going very well. Wait, what's happening to your arm, Doc? Are you okay? This is not the fault of the robotic arm, is it?
This is all your fault, Norman, you son of a...
Well, I know who you're not voting for in the next election. Sorry. I have a habit of making bad jokes in tense situations.
If you don't know, actually, me and Norman Osborn kicked Doc out of his lab, so that's why he's in this financial condition and had to took out the loans. That's why he said that, I guess, you are not making vote for this election. You know, like, a joke. Alright, let's prepare for the next test. While I'm working on this, Doc Otto told me that he and Norman Osborn were once lab partners, even best friends. They both wanted to change the world, but in very different ways. Slowly, their friendship fell apart and Otto left Oscorp Lab with the settlement money. But the money didn't last it long, and now Otto and Norman Osborn stand on opposite sides as enemies. Alright, so we are ready for test 2 and this time you handle the remote, Petro. No, don't give him... No, don't give him the remote. It was really hard to get ready for another test. Let's see if it works. For starters, let's try holding this coffee mug and think it's going pretty well. So this time we'll change the world without any stupid mayor interrupting us. But we still have a lot of loans to pay. Oh wait, not we, not we, him. He has to pay all the loans, but I think we are not getting our salary. Well, we can do this much for changing the world, right? So guys, I think that should be it for today's video. We'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.